In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to turn off order confirmations in Webull. So let's get started. So here we are on Webull, and from here to turn this off is that you want to make sure that you are logged in first. So you can go here into accounts and then make sure that you're logged in. You don't have any login pop-ups right here. And then once you're logged in into your account, you just simply want to go here into settings, which is right here in the bottom left. And then from here, you would want to go click here on trade. And then you would want to find these options right here, which is the order preferences. And then from here, you should now be able to see these options: show order confirmations for ordinary stock orders, option orders, futures orders, event orders, hotkeys, and so on right here. So if you'd want to stop it all, then just simply uncheck all of them. And from here, you can click on OK. And there will be a prompt that, are you sure you want to skip all order confirmations for ordinary stock orders? Click on OK. Same goes for the other options. Just like that. And now with this, we will now not have order confirmations when we purchase or make an order here in Webull. Now you can go back and try out the settings right here, try to do something and see if you still have an order confirmation. You should not have that by now. So take note that you would only want to turn it off if you would want to speed up your execution so that there will be no extra clicks. And if you are an active trader or those using hotkeys, and this also reduces the friction when placing multiple orders quickly. Just be cautious because disabling confirmations means you're placing orders instantly, so double check your order details before submitting. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.